too. She worked into the 1940s, and her imagery never got any happier. It's all this vein.
Like, so how many were made?
There were a couple hundred of these, but this is an early impression. In later printings, there was woodcut printed text, which described the scene. There's some obvious condition issues with this work. I would imagine for perhaps $500 to $700 worth of conservation work on this, it would look much, much better than it does right now.
Yeah.
In this condition, as is, at auction, I would estimate it to sell for between $4,000 and $6,000. Now, if you go ahead and put some money into conserving it, I would put an auction estimate on it.
Yeah.
So that was a good find at the garage sale.
Yeah.
Why you mad?
Well, it's a 0017. Would sell for over $2,500.
You high, bro?